accomplish every morning. I bless you with my strength, my power, and my love. The overflowing grace I bestow unto you blooms through the light that will carry to the rays of the sun. I am Hanan, her goddess of morning. I come to you to whisper my unspoken words, to delight you with my presence and freshness of my soul. May you spend your day with a smile in your heart and end it. And I will be welcoming you again with tomorrow's promise, together with my eternal glory and shining light. This is Jelenesti Hanana. I am Hanan of morning.
In the depths of ancient Philippine mythology lives Dalikmata, the goddess covered with countless eyes. She sees all, the past, the present, and even the future. Feared for her gaze, and yet revered for her healing tears. Dalikmata is divine watcher who sees beyond sight itself. Dalikmata is often described as beautiful yet eerie, her body glimmering with unblinking eyes that never rest. While some may find her appearance strange, her many eyes are not a curse. They are symbols of her wisdom, vigilance, and compassion. She is the goddess of vision, clairvoyance, and healing. Her eyes allow her to watch over people, protecting them from hidden dangers and falsehoods. In some stories, her tears are believed to have healing powers, curing illnesses and soothing pain. So when you hear of the goddess with 1,000 eyes, remember Dalikmata, the divine watcher who sees all and heals with compassion.
The goddess of the stars. She is the daughter of Bathala, the supreme god, and the sister of Mayari, the moon goddess, and Hanan, the goddess of the morning. Each night, Kala opens the gate of heaven to release the stars, allowing them to the light, the path for those who wander in the dark. In the heart of ancient Philippine mythology shines a radiant goddess named Kala, the goddess of the stars, known as the brighter of light and the guide of the night sky. Kala symbolizes hope, guidance, and brilliance. Her name, which means star in Tagalog, reminds us that even in our darkest time, there is always light, a guiding star to lead the way. Kala, goddess of the stars, symbol of light, beauty, and eternal guidance. In Philippines,
I am Apollon, the god of seasons, the guardian of time for endless reasons. I command the sun, the wind, the rain. The cycle of life flows in my domain. I forge the balance of earth and sky, where life is born and none shall die. I bring the heat that fuels the day, and calms the storm that comes my way. When flowers bloom, it is my call. When shadows rise, I guide them all. Through every dawn, through every fall, my power's chaos, strong and tall. I am Apollon, eternal and divine, the keeper of order, the ruler of time. In every heartbeat, in every reason, know my name, the god of season.
Ako si Mayari, ang anak na babae ni Bathala sa isang babaeng tagalupa. Ako ay kilala bilang ang pinakamagandang diyosa sa lahat. Ako ang diyosa ng pakikibaka, pangangaso, armas, kagandahan, lakas, gabi at ng buwan. Kapatid ko si Apolaki, ang Diyos ng araw. Nang mamatay ang aming ama, kami ni Apolaki ay nagdigma sapagkat siya ay hindi pumayag na kami ay maghati sa pamumuno sa sanlibutan. Nang matapos ang aming digmaan, ang aking kaliwang mata ay kanyang napuruhan, na naging sanhi ng aking pagkabulag.
I am Bian Masalanta, goddess of love, peace, and protector of mother and child.
Among all the deities, Dian Masalanta was admired for her compassionate heart and nurturing spirit. She guided couples through love, blessed mothers in labor, and brought harmony among people.
Bathala, also known as Bathalang May Kapal, is the supreme god of the ancient Tagalos, the creator of the universe and all living things. He was seen as a powerful yet kind deity, watching over the world and guiding people in their daily lives. Bathala was also believed to send spirits, called Anito, to help humans and protect nature. People offered prayers, food, and rituals to thank Bathala for good harvest and blessings.
I am Idyanala, the goddess of labor and good deeds.